everyone, Vanda here of rawandwell with another epic fruit and veggie haul. So the first thing we got here is this beautiful watermelon with seeds that I got at Sprouts. Watermelon sugar for juicing. Then I got some bananas. And don't panic, everything's organic. Let's do these veggies. I got some spinach, some celery, some carrots, and some garlic. White table grapes, red table grapes, and black table grapes. Got some red plums and some cherry plums. 4 red mangoes, and 2 green mangoes. These are Jamaican mangoes. And of course, always, lemons, always. Then I got a special melon, a Tuscan melon. It's got these little green stripes down the middle, but it's a cantaloupe, but it's a Tuscan cantaloupe. So when I open it up, I'll do a video and let you know how it tastes. That up here. And then this mangosteens. I found mangosteens. So excited for these. This is the treat of the week. Mangosteens. And I will do a separate video to show you what they look like inside if you haven't tried them. I definitely encourage you to try mangosteens. All right, well, that's this short week's fruit and veggie haul. Have lots still left over here to use up. So this is all we got this week so far. Much love to you. Bye for now.